Fun with Give and Take. Chapter 6, Class 3, Subject Maths. Prepared by Srimati Seema Chakraborty, PRT KV number 1, Ishapur. Now, first of all, we have to know what is my targeted learning outcome. What actually the children will learn. First of all, the understands that sum in all together terms are for addition in problem sums. Understands the key word left for subtraction in problem sums. Number 3, adds 3-digit numbers without grouping and with grouping. Subtracts the 3-digit numbers without grouping and with grouping. And the mental maths, simple addition and subtraction. Solves problems related to routine life, that is daily lives. Now, first of all, we have to have our spiral teaching, that is recapitulation. The children, they have already learned in chapter 3, 2 and 3, give and take. Chapter 3 is give and take, where they have already learned about addition and subtraction. So in this chapter, some extension of that chapter is given here. So they have already learned about addition with grouping and regrouping. We have to recapitulate this. Subtraction with grouping and regrouping. So let me have addition of 3-digit numbers without regrouping. A simple example is given here. 324 plus 123. Actually, we have to add from the ones place. The ones place digits are 4 and 3, and which is to be added, and it is, the sum is 7. The tens place, 2 plus 2 is 4 and 3 plus 1 is 4. So they have already learned this. Next, come to addition of 3-digit numbers without regrouping. Another example has been given here. 345, which can be expanded as 300 plus 4 tens plus 5 ones. Another number is 234, which is also expanded as 200s plus 3 tens plus 4 ones. And when it is added, it has to be added from the ones place. So it is 5 plus 4 is 9, 4 plus 3 is 7 tens, 3 plus 2 is 5 hundreds. So the answer is 579. Now come to the addition with regrouping. The example is given here, 437 plus 245. Now the ones place digits are 7 and 5. Now when they are added, it becomes 12, where 2 is in the ones place, so 2 will be kept here and 1 will be carried to the tens place. So now 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8, and in the 100 place there are 2 numbers, 2 digits, 4 and 2, which is to be added, and it is 6. So the answer is 682. Now subtraction without regrouping. Again we have to come for the subtraction. A simple example has been given here. 567 minus 342. The ones place digits are 7 and 2, which is to be subtracted, and it is written here as 5. 6 minus 4 is 2 and 5 minus 3 is 2. So children, this is the subtraction without regrouping. And again, I have given you here one worksheet, and you have to practice it. As all of us know that maths can be learned only through practice, and practice makes a man perfect. So this is the motto here, children. You have to practice maths to learn maths. Next is subtraction with regrouping. One example is given here, 639 minus 275. Now the ones place digits are 9 and 5, which is to be subtracted, and the answer is 4. But in the tens place, you are seeing that the upper number is 3, and which is less than 7, and it cannot be subtracted from 7, isn't it? So what we have to do, we have to borrow from 6. 6 is larger number than 3, so we can borrow from 6. So 1 can be taken from 6 and to be added here. So what here 1 means 1, 10. 10 has been taken. So 10, that is 13. Now 13 minus 7 is how much? It is 6. But I have already taken 1 from 6. So how much is left there? 5. So 5 minus 2 is here 3. So the answer is 364. Now come to another example, regrouping continued. The answer is 634 minus 258. Now 4 is less than 8. So what it is here? 14 minus 8. I have to take 1 from the tens place. That is 14 minus 8 is here 6. And 3, here I have already taken 1 from 3. So naturally what happened here? It becomes 2. But 2 is less than 5. We cannot subtract it. So I have to take again 1 from 6. So it becomes 12. 12 minus 5 is here 7. But 6 from 6 I have already taken 1. So it is 5 now. 5 minus 2 is 3. So the answer is here 376. So this is a regrouping subtraction. Now let's come to some of the problem sums. You have already learnt about the grouping addition, regrouping addition, grouping subtraction and regrouping subtraction, with and without. So here now we have to apply those learning in the daily lives, in the problem sums. The first problem is a baby tortoise is 33 years old. Mummy tortoise is 150 years old. How much younger is baby tortoise than mummy tortoise? Children, tell me what you have to do. Simply you have to do the subtraction. From where to where? To whom to whom? The thing is that the mummy tortoise is 150 years old and that it is greater number than 33. So 150 will be in the upper and 33 will be in the lower of 150. 33, how can you put? The 3 must be put under the ones place of 150. 0 is the ones place. So, and 3 is put under the tens place of 150, that is under 5. Now you simply do the subtraction. 0 is less than 3, so what you have to do again? You have to take 1 from 5, that is 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. And you have already taken 1 from 5, so it becomes 4. So 4 minus 3 is 1 and 1 is left here, 117. So mummy tortoise is 117 years older than the baby tortoise, or the baby tortoise is 117 years younger than mummy tortoise. Come to the next problem here. Reena noted the electricity meter readings of her house. Last month's reading was 118 units. This month's reading is 193 units. How much electricity did she use in 1 month? Simply again minus. So do this, children. 193 minus 118. Find out. Another sum for you. Khushbu bought a shirt for rupees 125 and trousers for rupees 165. How much money did she spend altogether? The key word is here altogether. That means you have to do addition. Okay, so total money she spent 125 plus rupees 165. Do the sum, children, and tell the answer. Now let you check your answer yourself whether you have done correct or not. Now one sum is here 236 minus 114, and when you subtract it the number becomes 122, but you don't know whether you have done that sum correctly or not. So there is a simple method how to correct yourself, how to check yourself. You have to simply add 122 plus 114. If you get the number 236, then your sum is correct. So this is a method of checking your answer yourself. Another sum is given here, 340 minus 28, which is becoming 312. Now if you add it, 312 plus 28, if you get 340, that means your sum is correct. So this is the answer that you can check yourself. Now fill in the missing number. Now I have given some numbers here. Look at 78 minus 3 dash, and the answer is here given 5. What will be put here? First you have to do 8 minus 5, how much it is? 3. So here it will be 3, and 7 minus 3 is what? 4. So 45 will be the answer. Now here you children, you find out there are 3-digit numbers, 21 dash, 21 dash, 1 dash 7, and here the number is 32. So what will be the number in the box? If you do it, 7 plus 2 is here 9. So when you minus 9 minus 7, it becomes 2. Okay. And here it is 1. And in here, and in the sum, in the answer it is 3. What will be the next number so that you can get 3? If it is 8, children, if it is 8, if you take 1 from 2, it becomes 11. 11 minus 8 is what? 3. And 1 minus 1, 2 becomes, now it is 1. So 1 minus 1, 0. So this way you have to find out the missing number. Now there is a mental maths for you. Wonderful. It's a here it is given 80 minus 35 is equal to how much? 45 plus 35 is equal to how much? So tell me children, 80 minus 35 is how much? 45, isn't it? 45, and 45 plus 35 is how much? It is 80. So very nice mental maths for you. You have to put in the circle. Next mental maths here, you have to find out yourself. There is the in between, the middle circle is here blank. There are 5 circles, and in the 5 corner circles there are 3 digits are given, 50, 50, 75. The middle circle is blank, and another corner circle is blank. You have to fill up it like previous one. Think of it and do it. Now count to subtract. Dolma bought 4 dozen, that is 48 bananas, and gave one to each of her friends. 13 bananas were left. How many friends got a banana? So 48 minus 13 is equal to 35 bananas are distributed, that means. So Dolma gave one to each friend, 1 banana. So there are how many friends? 35 friends. So 35 friends are there. To whom Dolma distributed banana to each. Now hence find out for 56 minus 37, how much? Do it. 60 minus 45 is how much? 80 minus 59 is how much? And 85 minus 63 is how much? So children, you have learned the application of addition and subtraction in this chapter. How you have to understand it properly, and then you have to execute. Thank you children. Thank you. God bless you.